Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be making a press-on set that I saw and I'm very much inspired by it. For my preference, I like filing down the cuticle area because it fits better on the nail and sits better in the cuticle after finishing all your application. While doing that, do not buff too harsh to damage the tip. So after getting the cuticle area where I want it, then I go in with a buffing block to get rid of any shine that's on the tip, so that the application of the gel will last and not peel over time. Make sure you get rid of any dust that's on the tip before you start any application, because you do not want all of those little things sticking out in the gel, even though over time it's going to be covered to the amount of application going on. I am using this green clay that I bought on Amazon. It's really strong, and this green clay can be used multiple times. I have been using it for almost a week now and it's been doing really good, guys, so you guys need to check it out. So here I am going in with my base coat, then followed with the desired gel color that I will be using. I will be speeding through some of the videos so that it doesn't have to be that long. After finishing my base application, I am going in here with this soft baby pastel pink. Man, this pink have a lot of name, but yeah, it's really pretty, guys. So I'll be going in with 3 coats of this, 3 to 4 coats, and this will give the press-on that strength, that thickness, instead of using the acrylic. And whenever you're doing your press-ons, always balance with your thumb and your index finger, so when applying pressure, it doesn't fall off and mess your work up. After my application, I like running back the brush over the entire surfaces of the tips, because sometimes the gel may be too heavy on the sides and you do not want that, so prevent that at all costs. Now this is my 4th application of gel. Then I will be going in with my top coat and proceed to the design. As I said earlier on in the video, that it's a inspired set that I saw and I would like to try it out, and I'm doing it in a different color. The color that I saw was green. I'm going to try to put a picture here so you can see. So guys, comment down below and tell me what you think about these press-on sets that I tried from another picture, okay? Comment. And if you like what you're seeing and if you have been learning something from this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn that notification bell on. Click that link. Click, 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 click. Here I am going in with some top coat just to finish off. I like to go in with extra top coat, especially to put on the pearls, because you know over time the pearls can strip. So yeah, I like putting in my top coat on it. But yes guys, this is the finished look. So comment, I say comment and tell me what you think. How did I do? How did I do? Did I slay it? Did I nailed it? What did I do? Subscribe, like, comment, share. And I do lives 5 times per week to 6 times per week. I do it in the morning sometimes and in the evening. So turn on the notification bell and never miss another upload from me. Thank you guys for supporting me. Bye.